Today we are going to make a quinoa dish. Yeah, so we have quinoa, of course, and green beans and spring onions, and carrots, and some onions, and prawns, and then we've also got some Eva's Kitchen, and then we've got soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and also some oil, and green peppers and tomatoes. So now we're going to chop them up. We've pre-boiled our quinoa. Just follow the pack to do your quinoa.
Yeah, you must chop quinoa very carefully. But these are sharp knives. But they're child friendly and we can use them.
And you don't chop quinoa. That's the quinoa. This is the pepper and tomatoes.
Yeah, it was pretty cut. I went pepper and tomatoes. I'll go get I want to
Now we're going to put in some all-purpose seasoning into our prawns, and if you add all-purpose Eva's Kitchen all-purpose seasoning into anything, it just gives it some flavour. And we're also going to drizzle a bit of soy sauce over, and then squeeze a bit of lemon.
Yeah.
So the seed. Like that.
Yeah, we don't.
Okay, pink. That pink, okay? Check.
Not pink.
From time to time, just check if they're pink, okay? Check.
Not pink.
I meant on the other side. Just check the other side, see if they're pink. Honey, not like that. Like this, honey, let me show you. Not pink enough. Okay, now we're going to put some oil in the pan.
And then we're going to put some extra vegetables after we put the oil in.
Some people like their vegetables crunchy, and then some people like them soft. We like them slightly crunchy, so we're going to put our quinoa in at this stage. So now we're going to put in the prawns.
Put that there.
So now we're going to eat our food, which is really yummy.